David Hartzell. I'm President and CEO of Mack Defense. Mack Defense is a wholly owned subsidiary of Mack Trucks Incorporated, the famous commercial truck manufacturer. We're also part of the AB Volvo group of commercial truck companies. Mack Defense was formed specifically to go after military and government type contract work, where we use our commercial-based truck platforms and we modify them to be used for military and or governmental applications. Mack Defense was awarded in middle of 2018 the M917A3 program, which is the heavy dump truck contract for the U.S. Army. It's up to 683 trucks, valuation of about $300 million U.S. dollar contract with the Army. Basically what we did is we took a Mack Granite chassis, which is a common chassis that we sell into construction vocational applications throughout the world, and we modified it to meet the Army's requirements to fulfill the needs for the M917A3. Mack Defense is very proud to be back in service with the U.S. Army. Mack Trucks, our parent organization, started service with the U.S. Army all the way back in World War I. In fact, it's our bulldog symbol, which is our corporate symbol for our company, actually was founded and created in World War I when we delivered trucks to the European theater. And the British soldiers actually thought that our trucks looked like a bulldog and had the durability and toughness of a bulldog, and they nicknamed it the Bulldog. And that image stuck with us and later became our corporate symbol. So our heritage serving the military goes way back. So again, we're very pleased to be back again in service to the U.S. Army. Yes, so the U.S. Army will be looking in the near future to replace its existing tactical cranes. So what we did is we leveraged the work that we have using our granite chassis, our Mack Granite chassis, which we used to create the heavy dump truck, the M917A3. We're also able to use that same basic commercial platform to adapt it to also meet the needs of the Army's tactical crane requirement. This truck here represents that effort, where once again we're able to relatively easily take our commercial platform, make minor modifications to it, and meet the requirements of that, the anticipated requirements of that crane for the U.S. Army. Our main message for Mack Defense is that as a commercial-based manufacturer, we feel that we can give the Army a very good value proposition by leveraging the efficiencies and the value of a commercial-based product, which we produce in large numbers, especially being part of the Volvo Group. We produce almost 300,000 trucks per year, so we can leverage that commerciality with modification and meet the U.S. Army's requirement. So in the end, we feel they're getting a product that will meet or even exceed their requirements, but at a much more competitive price, a much better value proposition than products that are designed specifically just for their application.
Daryl Malott with Manitowoc, and I'm the Director of Government Marketing, and we're teamed with Mack Defense on the integration of the crane. They have a very good truck platform, and we're integrating the crane onto the truck through analysis, and we believe it's the best solution that we can offer our U.S. forces. So the use of the crane is primarily for the engineers. It's used for some light construction and movement of material and support equipment. So this particular crane that you're looking at is our MBT-40. It's a 40-ton truck-mounted crane. It is a commercially available. We sell it worldwide today. It's controlled by the operator's cab in the back. We have a load sense system that allows the operator to see parameters of the crane, and if they're going to exceed those parameters, it'll alert them that they're in an overload situation. The crane does rotate 360 degrees and picks all the way out to 100 feet. So this is the 103-foot boom option that you see behind us. So it's 103 foot of boom that we have on this particular crane right now. The cabin on the crane itself is the operator's cab. Right now, that is not the requirement. So the requirement is to only protect the driving cab at this point. We have another crane that we've developed for the Army where we did armor the operator's cab as well.
My name is Rob Gordon. I'm the Vice President for Business Development for Mack Defense. And behind me you see our 40-ton all-terrain crane, where we've partnered with Manitowoc, another Pennsylvania company, to offer this truck here this year at AUSA. Why did we choose this platform? If you're familiar with the M917A3, Mack Defense was awarded that contract in May of 2018. We presented that at AUSA 2018, and currently the first 5 vehicles have been accepted by the U.S. Army for test. It's going through test right now. But that chassis on the M917A3 is fundamentally the same chassis you see behind me, which is the Mack Granite. And the Mack Granite is the vocational truck of choice for Mack Trucks, Mack Defense, and we're demonstrating the versatility of that platform. Whether it's crane, dump body, water, fuel tanker, it's the workhorse of the fleet. This is very important for us to demonstrate. Like I said, though, this product is in service. We've provided the Granite chassis with the 40-ton crane via foreign military sales, Egypt, Iraq, and even in the U.S. to various federal agencies, as well as the U.S. Army National Guard. So the message is this truck is in service today. This just has some different features from what you may see commercially. They should choose this truck for this contract because, one, the heavy dump truck is in service, and so you're building on that platform that exists. Provisioning will be done, the logistics support will be complete, but ultimately because of what the Mack Granite is. It's a versatile, tough, strong platform that provides tremendous support for both the commercial and the defense world globally.